So the cool thing about what's happening today is this completes the E piece of Project Equip for students at Medaille, explore your community. Next, what they're going to do is question their role, so that's EQ. And then after that, we have understand your academic discipline in the context of the community, involve yourself, and produce new knowledge. So throughout the 4-year experience of a student, they're going to be engaged in community-based learning, and they're going to be going out there and getting out of the classroom and actually applying what they're learning, which is a pretty powerful experience for most students. As part of the first-year learning community experience, students go out into the Buffalo community and they study different aspects of it. And then they come back together in teams and they create presentations. So today we have some students who have poster boards. We have other students who brought their laptops and are having people vote on what should get funding for projects in Buffalo. We have another student who is dressed as a blue man with a television on his head, and they have a game and they're talking about the media's influence on people's opinions and popular culture. So it is a wide variety of projects that students pull together for this event.
How do they choose their project?
That's a good question. It depends on what learning community they're in, what a student might end up doing for their project. In many cases, though, students self-select. They decide that an issue interests them and they want to learn more about it. And the cool thing is it doesn't matter where they come from, because every community has very similar issues, and so they can study that and then apply it back to their own community, but it's also a way of connecting them with Buffalo and Western New York.
These learning communities, how do they get put into them? Like, what are they doing there? Like, what is that?
Well, we found that when students learn in groups and learn together in context, they actually have a better learning experience. So we've linked several courses at Medaille, critical thinking and writing, for example, and the professors will work together to link the readings so that what a student's learning in one class, they're also talking about it in another class. And that's how learning communities work in a nutshell.